My name is Ryan. My company is RC Screening and Window Cleaning, stationed out of Maui, Hawaii. Mainly window cleaning, however we do a lot of soft washing and pressure washing as well. All the instructors are just so knowledgeable and passionate about what they do and just very supportive and helpful. It was great to gain a better knowledge and understanding of the field that I'm in, especially in the pressure washing industry. That was pretty cool. That was pretty intense. Better idea of house washing and equipment maintenance. I really liked the awning cleaning day, the house washing day taught by Tyler. That was awesome. Stefan was great with the fleet washing part of it. I mean, just so knowledgeable about everything in his field. Super cool, great group and very informative for sure. There's just so much to learn, and you know, it definitely shined light on a lot of subjects and made me think about things that I didn't even know was something that necessarily needed to be thought of. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it to anybody. From any expert to novice to any level, you know, because there's not something that we can't learn out of this course. Highly recommended. Great people, great group, and yeah, I'd take the course over again if I could.